Khantex Fashions Limited.
Khantex Fashions Limited, the flagship company of KFL Group, has its corporate office at Bonani, Dhaka. The factory is 40 kilometers away from Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport at Mauna, Sripur, Gazipur. Under the dynamic leadership of Humayun Salim, a highly experienced and illustrious garments personality, it's a USGBC LEED certified knit and woven garments factory. Keeping its commitment to the environment, the factory building is surrounded by greenery. Khantex contribution to a habitable future, doing everything to limit carbon emission. The whole factory is integrated to achieve eco-sustainability. Since its establishment in 2018, it's been carrying out its responsibilities to its people and the planet. Environment-friendly techniques and technologies like solar panels, daylight utilization, rainwater harvesting and usage, wastewater management, energy-efficient and noise-free machines, below 30 degrees Celsius comfortable workspace, and many others are at use to fulfill its commitment towards nature. Khantex is also certified by SEDEX, Amphary BSCI, Accord, Oikotex, RAP, OCS, and GOTS for its proficiency and eco-friendliness. Most of the workers are advantaged by the ease of going to work on foot and riding bicycles. Here, a highly capable merchandising team with professional excellence at pre-production prepares the grounds for quality and speed in production. Its experienced sample department shapes the customer's interests with decent designs. Computer-aided design, AutoCAD, supports them in intricate designs. It has its own state-of-the-art knit circular machines to produce knit fabrics for the production process. Thereafter, fabric cutting takes place in bulk, ensuring optimal utilization of fabrics. Khantex's printing facility uses automatic printing machines which can design and print in a variety of shapes and colors and prints about 30,000 pieces per day. It has 24 spacious sewing lines currently in use, which is soon to be expanded to 50. 12 of these, run by a highly skilled and experienced craftsman, produce 1 million pieces of knit garments per month. The other 12 sewing lines produce 500,000 pieces of woven bottom garments by equally competent artisans. Following ironing and other invariable finishing touches, the final QC is done here to hit AQL 1.5 uncompromisingly. After the completion of production, the products are shipped with careful coordination. Khantex manufactures all kinds of knit garments and woven bottoms for all genders and age groups. Prestigious international brands and buyers boost the confidence of Khantex with their utmost trust. Currently, Khantex exports products worth $30 million each year. Realizing the key role its workers play in its success, Khantex prioritizes its 2,000 workers with optimum attention. They are provided free medical checkups and other forms of healthcare. Regular training is organized to keep the workforce always prepared to respond to different types of occupational hazards and fire hazards through fire drills. Water hose, fire hydrant, emergency lamp, PA system, fire alarm siren, fire exit, and staircase are installed and maintained. It has steam boiler for ironing and standby generator for uninterrupted power supply. Their rights and responsibilities are established at the factory with Workers' Participation Committee that develops awareness among the employees. The story of Khantex is being written by dedicated and skilled professionals to achieve utmost customer satisfaction.
We take care of our stakeholders like employees, suppliers and valued customers. We are also very competitive and we make sure the right quality products with on-time delivery.
Khantex believes in a pragmatic approach to bridge business and nature, keeping its workers and customers in mind for a win-win business and satisfaction.